Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, are you a content creator, and are you someone who is creating content on multiple social media? If yes, so today I have something really special for you, because this AI tool is completely free. So it will not cost you anything. And if you are interested and curious, watch this video entirely and do not skip any part of this video. So yeah, this the tool name is napkin.ai. So this particular tool will help you to create a visuals from your text, right? So as you can see, napkin turns your text into visuals, so sharing your ideas is quick and effective, right? So basically it is not just creating images, but again very interactive visuals that will help your audience to understand your ideas and content, like what exactly you are trying to portray in your content. So it will help your audience to understand that, right? So basically it is a very powerful tool. And again, as of I'm recording this video, this tool is totally free, right? So if you want to testing out this tool and then try out like how qualitative this tool is creating the images, or I would say like graphics, then you can just click the link in the description below and then sign up for this particular tool, right? So basically I'll show you the pricing plan as well. So basically right now they are in a beta phase, so that is why they are giving their professional plan for absolutely free. Again, I don't know like till what time they are going to keep it free, but yeah, whatever time this how much time, however you can use this particular plan for free, maybe for a month or two. Once this tool is out of the beta phase, then they are going to charge, that is for sure, right? So till that time you can utilize this tool and then see if this tool can be worthwhile. Uh, you can get into their paid plans as well, right? So now let's look at the tool, how it's actually working. So once you sign up for this particular tool, the number one thing that there are actually a few options that that you will see on the dashboard. Okay, yeah. So basically you will see two option, okay, you will see a two option once you click on this new napkin, right? So first one is draft with AI and the second one is blank napkin, right? Again, draft with AI means you just need to give it a topic and then it will write a complete content for you, and then under that you can create multiple assets, graphics, right? So let's try it out once, draft with AI, and then let's tell this tool that generate and generate and marketing framework, right? So now it is creating the marketing framework step by step. So basically it is just like an perplexity cloud chat gpt like right tool, which can respond based on the input that you give it to it, right? So basically, see, this is the market research. Now there are multiple ways of generating asset for this particular text that we got from the napkin.ai, right? So the first way is like you can generate individual assets for in these individual sections, right? So if you can see here, this electricity kind of icon, right? If you can just click on that icon, it will generate asset graphics for this particular section, right? So let's see. Yeah, so now again, once you click on that icon and it finish with generating the graphics, it will give you multiple options, right? So multiple styles that you can choose from. So these are like this is the this is kind of a pie chart style of graphics, then pillar kind of, then SWOT analysis kind of a chart that it will give you. So again, basically it will give you a it will give you a multiple options of choosing your own graphic style. And then once you select any one of them, let's say I like this the most, so if I choose this one, then again there's another option under that as well that will give you a flexibility to choose a color style, right? So if you can see here, again for this I think there's only one color style. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's choose this one, and then again you can also customize it further in terms of I think changing the font and the color, background color, and the padding and all of that, right? So you can do that as well. So let's okay, let's do this. So yeah, this is pretty cool, right? Pretty much self-explanatory. Again, this is the first way of generating asset for a individual section. Again, if you want to generate I think generate this asset graphics for the whole article or the content, what you can do, you can select the whole article and then just click on this, and it will create the graphic or image for the whole article in within a minute, basically. So now let's wait for maybe 20-30 seconds and then see. Okay, now meanwhile we can look at some other things, right? Another option is, let me first, okay, so another option is like the blank napkin, right? Under that what you need to do is you need to copy paste your existing content, and based on this, let me shorten it for now, otherwise it will take again more time. So yeah, okay. So basically here what you can do, what you need to do, you need to like you need to paste your existing content into it, for which you want to generate graphics. And then again here you can also like create a graphic for section by section. Otherwise what you can do, you can select the whole content and click on this icon, and then it will create a graphics for you within a minutes. Yeah, see. So again it will create different types of graphics, from which you can select your favorite one, and then once you select any of that, select the style, and then yeah, voila, you're done, right? So this is really cool and amazing tool that will literally save hours of work and the money that you are spending on those graphics tool like Canva and all of that, right? So basically in Canva you are spending your money, and then once you get into that, you are spending your time. So basically it will save you all of that time and money that you are spending there, right? At least for a month or two, I would say, because maybe after that this tool will be in a free not be in a free version. That for sure there will be a paid plan in which you can get unlimited, but not in the free plan. So yeah, till that time, take advantage of this tool, and I hope you like this video. If you please like this video and subscribe my channel, because on this channel I'm creating video around AI automation and make.com that will help you to make real money. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, bye bye, take care.